Yes, Christopher.
That's lots of water.
That is lots of water right there. That's the bay. Or that's actually the Elk River.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
What's the other there?
That's like an island right there, isn't it?
Yeah. Other doors probably, that island probably has a bathroom.
Oh, you think there's a bathroom on that island?
Yeah.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
Yeah, but someone needs to pee-pee.
Oh, that's true. Somebody else, huh?
Yeah.
And poop too.
Yeah, in the bathroom, in the island.
Well, when you have to go, it's nice to have a bathroom to go in, isn't it?
Okay?
Yes, Christopher? You think so? I think it's going to rain all day long. That's why we're out on a rainy day adventure. Yeah, it is. That's a big one. Are you going to go swimming in that puddle?